Pacific Exteriors Northwest is one of Oregon and Washington's largest exterior general contractors. We specialize in building envelope repair and design, including siding, windows, doors, roofing, decking, painting, and more. From multifamily apartments, condominiums, and townhomes, to commercial properties such as hotels, senior living facilities, and mixed commercial. We work with property owners, management companies, architects, structural engineers, attorneys, building consultants, insurance companies, and many more in achieving long-lasting solutions for commercial and multifamily building envelope problems. Our experience in the Pacific Northwest dates back to 1994, meaning we are very familiar with the particular nature of the seasons and the immense damage that can be caused when your building exteriors are not properly waterproofed. We deliver the personal, customized approach that nationwide companies struggle to provide. Pacific Exteriors Northwest is built on the principles of quality workmanship, sustainability, and proven efficient processes that provide significant cost savings and thus maximum value to our clients. Your property needs the Pacific Exteriors Northwest team, which includes many of the nation's foremost experts on waterproofing, accredited for the protection of the exterior building envelope. Our proven forensic waterproofing processes and protocols ensure long-lasting solutions for your peace of mind. Perhaps your multifamily property needs an updated and modernized look. We work with you and our partner architects, structural engineers, and consultants through the process to achieve the design you want, then we deliver the finished product. Did you buy a property or building less than 10 years old only to discover there are defects in the construction, including water intrusion, dry rot, mold, and other issues? Our team can not only help deliver long-term solutions using our proven processes, but work with you to recover monies from insurance and the builder. If you are considering buying or selling a multifamily or commercial property, we can help you perform due diligence, including cutting-edge thermal imagery and drone deployment to provide a comprehensive evaluation to identify dry rot, water leakage, and other critically important information you need to make an informed decision. Consistency in workmanship can be difficult to deliver when you work almost exclusively with subcontractors, many of whom have their own work culture, approach, and definition of quality and value. Here at Pacific Exteriors Northwest, we have one unifying culture focused on the common goal of delivering the highest value we can every time. Quality is in our DNA, and Pacific Exteriors Northwest demands the highest standards of workmanship. Factory training our employees and teams creates a shared standard of work, so we deliver not only the right solution, but the highest value possible. Transparency and accountability are hallmarks of our culture. We provide clients access to a time tracking app to ensure accountability and transparency, and communicate regularly throughout the project to ensure you are kept updated. Working with our locally owned company delivers several benefits to your project. You have quick access to your entire project management team, including project managers, administration and support, consultants, structural engineers, safety coordinators, and more. Our employees stay with us, providing continuity and quality and relationship for your project. Our trusted brand is known in the industry as representing quality and value. In conclusion, Pacific Exteriors Northwest brings sustainability to your project by ensuring transparency and accountability, local personnel and efficient operations for significant cost savings, the highest quality workmanship that utilizes the latest training and delivers high value, and proven, scalable processes that can work on any size project. Pacific Exteriors Northwest, experts in exterior building envelope solutions.